I'm on the line. You're drunk. Like you on the crack. All right, bitch, open up.
I'll be wrong to grab him through this motherfucker door though.
No.
Get your bitch ass
Grab
out of
his
here.
ass, be like, my fault, my fault, my fault. Oh, good.
Man,
I'm on the bag. Can I grab something? Nah, I can't even grab nobody on the bag.
man.
Is he right here?
I don't know.
I don't know. Don't even do it though, ain't it? You feel me? Hey, it's gonna cry. Hey, tell us, let us in, brother. We all outside.
Hi, welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you, bro.
About time, shut up. God damn.
Damn.
Niggas in here having conversations, bro. Open the fucking door, bro.
Y'all, that's why
Ass
y'all
guy.
on the bag. All you niggas. Somebody put
Yeah,
dope to that
fuck up,
motherfucking
dumbass
ass.
bitch. I don't give a
Shut
fuck
the
what I'm
fuck
I
on.
ain't,
up.
yeah,
Fuck you
lame
talking
ass
about.
niggas.
Open this fucking
Broke
door,
ass,
bitch.
huh?
Hurry up, stupid. What's wrong with it?
Play out, folks. He laughing at it.
She going bad, like you a club.
And
Hey,
Crowd noise.
you want me to search them before they come through this door, right?
They beating that bitch ass, probably. You hear that? Right.
Alright, you good to go, my man. You read? Hold on.
If I see something, I'll stay in tune with you. You hear me?
Alright, y'all good to go. Now watch this door for y'all. Go in there, have a seat, now, boys. Behave.
what's going on, man? Yeah. Where Blake at? Has Blake ain't got this case? Yeah.
Oh, y'all, we gotta look this up. We gotta see this. Let me see. That's all they got right now. Let me see.
How long are they late? How
Oh,
long?
this shit
How
they
long?
got to-
Much of a grace period though, like be giving them motherfucker.
Hey, Leon. Hey, Dion.
Y'all good up
Hold
here?
on,
Y'all
bro.
good on food and
Who
everything?
your lawyers is?
But
Good.
your name
What's
True
what's
Tucker.
going on, son?
Hear me?
Yeah.
I'm Mary True Tucker.
Who this is right here? This family side right here, fool. Sit on the right side, fool.
Man, this is a public courthouse, sir.
It's the family side, fool. This where the family sit. Sit on the other
They
side,
on
bro.
their way.
That's PD side. I don't
Ain't
represent
nobody
PD, bro.
having no grace.
I don't fuck with PD. I'm gonna sit on this side with y'all. We cool.
That back row game.
Hey man, I'm praying for
Oh,
the
this
best
I
for you,
know who
brothers.
this
All right.
is right here in this green.
Hope y'all do
I'm
right
gonna get them
Green
10
shirt.
minutes. No, 10 minutes from now. Yeah.
Oh, she dismissed this motherfucker? Ah, yeah.
All praise to God. No
Low wheels of justice.
Brothers. Sit in the back, bro.
I'm sorry. What the fuck? Oh my god.
got fucking green on. This fucking
Because I've been trying to get a hold
goofy.
of some of y'all. Subpoenaed to get y'all everybody getting subpoenaed. All y'all getting subpoenaed before today. Hey, listen, all y'all getting subpoenaed before.
Hello, how are you?
What guy?
Just stay in the courtroom. Don't go nowhere.
What's your record?
Somebody sit here. Yeah.
Man, LaFleur, you ain't won a case yet. You talking about?
Listen, y'all keep ducking. Y'all keep
Nigga ain't even
ducking.
trying to sit up
Man,
there.
Talk to me when you win a case, brother.
I'm about to go this. Man, we done.
I'm about to say, I'm about to do that same shit. Fuck that.
You talking about?
Trying to get past, bro.
You the damn devil.
Thanks, brother.
Let me get this seat.
This seat taking something. Get past my boy.
Could you speak with your lord in the voting officer?
Pops, what's going on? What do you want?
I like wood in it.
I think I'm just standing up there for my health. We're starting in 5 minutes. Thank you. Wonderful.
I see a couple niggas ain't taking a shower, but they excuse this
See
shit.
what happens. Heck, court case, and I hope that people know what the hell they're doing. She's not in a good mood.
This nigga D money.
Alright. If you guys have cell phones, make sure your cell phones off. Court is about to start.
Got it, bro.
If you guys have any cell
Ain't no
phones, turn
fucking
your
way.
cell phones off. Court is about to start.
Oh shit, my fault, man.
That motherfucker in a wheelchair.
See his ass.
He must got popped.
Chief, you good? I got you, Chief. I ain't gonna leave your side, Chief. I got you, Chief. Set him up.
I just set him up.
I got you, Chief.
Got his ass popped.
We need all PD to the courthouse. If you're outside and active, come to the courthouse right now.
Perfect, Theo.
God damn, I got Chief in here looking crazy.
If you guys want to, you guys
I
can
got it.
think.
I got it.
You guys can think.
You want to hit this kid?
Get past that.
I got you, Chief. I got you. I'm gonna get you together.
You gave that bitch to me.
Hey, fuck it. Add that bit.
Drop my shit. All right. You gotta go to the shop.
Yep.
Welcome, everybody will be starting shortly.
Switch seats so you can do your thing, bro.
When she's ready to rumble, she'll be back.
Back up, little musty.
My cousin's in here, man. My brother's in here. It ain't dangerous.
You know what he on trial for? Yeah.
Yeah, what y'all love?
Go ahead, brother.
Hold on, I ain't coming right out. Let me see. Hold on. Get my shit back. Calm down.
Get back here.
I ain't even finna start.
I'm sitting on my fucking keys. Excuse me, sir.
Go ahead. shit out of my fucking name, Lord.
Shit. My bad.
Slap the shit out
It ain't no room for you to sit right there again. You finna force your way on the seat, and ain't no room for you to sit right there.
Hey, Juice.
Look how you sitting.
Juice. Check this out.
What?
Little business, nigga.
You say, bro, tighten in that bitch.
Bro, go squeeze himself in that bitch.
Of course.
Hundo, you got it, bro.
Oh, that's Hundo?
Hundo,
you wild.
I'm out my.
Long,
Oh,
bro.
I ain't know that was
Go
Hundo.
Hey,
ahead.
Hondo.
What's the word, man?
Big bus.
Pull up on me at the list.
I got you.
We're just waiting for the judge.
Oh Lord, help me, help my back. Oh Lord, help me. Oh. Thank you. All right, thank you.
Okay. Theatrics will not be occurring in this courtroom here. We're not doing no theatrics here.
That's exactly what it is.
He seem leaning over. Look at him. He all fucked up. I'm thinking he gonna be leaned over.
Oh, that type of language?
Evidence, describe all that. All right.
Oh shit. All right.
That's it. We're gonna give it 2 more minutes. If the honorable judge is in there, now sit in so we can get this started at least, and then we'll get him up to speed. There we go. Wonderful. Wonderful. Just in time. Alright, well, just waiting for you. We're ready to rumble. Let's do this.
All right, all right.
Sure you shouting.
Damn, bitch. Shit.
She's sitting down?
Oh.
Judge is here.
All right. All right, you all may be seated. You all may be seated.
Tell her to speak up.
Oh, God. She killed me with that shit.
She's here, brother.
You're up, Brian.
Yeah, it is Luke.
Y'all going shot because I couldn't hear y'all back. All right, can everybody hear me?
Unfortunately, yes.
Yes, go ahead. Go ahead, sir.
Okay. So today we have here the state versus a Dion Smith and a Trey Smith. What we have here today is 2 criminals has been very violent amongst the community of Los Santos. These 2 individuals have repeatedly attempted to murder individuals. Been a menace to society, and the streets need to be clean with these such individuals. Today we are suspected Mr. Dion Smith of robbery of a government facility, an accessory to attempted LEO, and possession of stolen class 2s, which would be a surplus of 30 plus. I think the correct number that the inventory was missing was about 35.
Okay, so let me get this straight. You saying that he stole 30 guns allegedly?
Correct.
Proceed.
And today, the state is seeking justice. There's been there's been an increase in the violence in the city recently, and the state is looking to neutralize that in any form possible. We have 2 suspects here that not afraid to not only steal from government facilities, but they're also not afraid to take a life. And we're here to prove that all of these charges that we accuse these 2 suspects of stick, and that justice is served. Thank you.
All right. What evidence do you have to present, son?
Hello, Your Honor. I'm here for my opening statement. True Tucker, defending my 2 clients, Dion Smith and Trey Smith.
Bro, I think she just said what evidence do he have to present.
Yeah, I think she meant like for him to come do his opening statement.
Oh, no, she asked the prosecutor what evidence he had to present. That's what she meant.
Oh, okay.
Are we doing evidence right now? All right, we can do that.
Let her
We can
do
do
it.
that. Yeah.
Hey, your prosecution, step forward.
Go ahead, Jumbo.
Prosecution, step forward.
Make sure you're shouting, Jumbo.
All right, Your Honor, District Attorney Jumbo here. If you look at the criminal complaint submitted,
Proceed.
Where was it submitted at? So I can see it too. Make sure I got
it's
the right
submitted
one.
in the court request, sir.
Okay, I just want to make sure I got the right one. All right.
Yes, sir. There is body cam footage that shows of the shooting inside of the courthouse. Inside of the LSPD station. There's also body cam footage showing that our officer You're Guilty collected evidence and ballistics, along with DNA samples inside and directly outside where the gentlemen were seen entering the building. It also shows our MDW reports. Our MDW reports are where our officers have written their statements after the involvement where they have arrested the gentleman.
All right, you
That
may
is
be
all state's
seated.
evidence.
Objection, Your Honor. The prosecution claims it
Can you
shows.
step up to the podium? Son, I can't hear you.
Objection on the evidence that he submitted. The prosecution claims that he submitted a document showing an officer collecting ballistics. I do not see that. Can he point me to where it's at?
It is not a document, sir. It is the third body cam footage shown on the criminal complaint.
That body cam is in the interrogation room between You're Guilty and my client. It's not collecting any evidence. And we can all take a look at it.
Where?
I believe he may have copy and pasted the wrong one.
Hey, that's
Jumbo apologizes.
The ballistic report's still in there.
I mean, he went to school for that, so he shouldn't.
Jumbo,
Yeah, it's still in the ballistic.
the ballistic reports is still in there, showing the location and the DNA of the gentleman.
Where's the evidence at?
How many DAs?
If you'd like to, Mr. True.
I mean, I see the ballistics. We've been had the ballistics, but police protocol is show evidence of you collecting the ballistics.
All
And
right,
I
so
failed to
what
see
I
that.
want you to do is, can you prove that your clients weren't at the scene of the crime? That's what you need to do for me.
Yeah. So if I can start my
no.
if I can start my opening statement.
Prove.
That's not what you do.
That's not what you do. You don't prove we wasn't there. They prove we
gotta
was
prove
there.
you was there, man. Look at she talking about. She be on that weird shit.
Yeah, they gotta prove he was there.
She be on that, gang. I'm telling y'all, she be on that bull.
You don't prove we wasn't there. What the fuck? They prove we was there.
You the defense, bro.
Quiet in the audience. Quiet in the audience.
I want to see what happens next. you don't object to during an open
Hey, CO. Hey, make sure nobody in here talking
Judge, we
to
can't
the
hear you.
audience. They are, they go will be removed, alright? Stop.
Fucking ridiculous.
Ridiculous.
That's starting to piss me off. You guys hear me?
Yeah, we hear you.
Judge, alright?
I don't know. It's getting ridiculous.
Somebody, yeah, we hear. Yeah.
It's starting to piss me off.
What are you doing, Judge?
Just, you know, it's the second time off this show. We'll see what happens here. If it happens another time, I'll just take over and we'll get this thing speedy.
Judge,
Judge, I think that's what you need to do right
prosecution
now,
would like
Judge.
the prosecution would like a 15-minute rest.
Go
Hell
ahead.
no, man.
Take a 5.
Man,
5-minute recess?
Taking a 5-minute. No
5-minute
one's
recess.
going. No one's going nowhere.
5-minute recess.
Nobody's going nowhere. You exit. You're not coming back. Understand?
Yes, sir.
He on that.
The criminal complaint closed, right? So you can't submit no more.
All right, Don, you got it.
Brian, come to the jury room, please.
Yeah, nah.
Nah, Jumbo's
It's the ring, too, man.
Take a 5-minute word about what Jumbo doing, sir.
Taking a goddamn recess already. It's ridiculous.
It's the
Even
slowest
get the
speedy
opening
trial I've ever
statements
seen.
out the way. You can't object during a goddamn opening statement, okay, buddy? You gotta let the stupidity of what they say happen, and then we'll go back and forth over it, all right?
Hey, so Judge, so the opening statement is supposed to be me, not
That's-
asking
I
the prosecution
understand.
for evidence.
He didn't get to do his
I-
opening statement,
I
though.
understand that, okay?
So I had the right to object to evidence, not the
You,
opening
it
statement.
wouldn't be an objection. You'd ask to approach a stand,
Nah.
okay? Nothing to object to.
Man, what he been at, folks?
Hey, that's why you approach the stand and you ask that, making a spectacle out of it, and the courtroom's delaying the process. You come up to the goddamn podium, before you know it, you could have got the motion you wanted before everybody got here. You're trying to hatch the eggs before you lay them, okay?
I fuck with it, bro. She different, gang. I ain't gonna care. Hey, Dion.
See now, Judge and the mob boss running this.
They need to throw every case out she ever had.
Oh.
God.
Hey, let some guys know inside the audience.
Both her brains got Alzheimer's.
Lala, tell the, make sure you tell the audience the right to speak whisper. Stop talking. Yeah, just watch it, but they sitting there, they're talking. They're not supposed to be talking in the audience. If they continue to talk, we're gonna remove them.
Come here, Nick.
All right. Need the defense approach the bench?
The bench or
The podium. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, son. Go ahead and present your defense.
Yeah, before I present my, hold on. Before I present my defense, I want to know the ruling of my motion to dismiss.
Your motion is denied.
Denied on what basis? Because that's in the rule book. The exact thing I brought up, that's in the rule book. So I want to know what basis are my motion being
What are you
dismissed.
talking about?
If you looked at my motion, I state that. Give me 1 second. Bring it up. My two clients were failure to prosecute. According to the rule book, if a judge is not on duty, the DA must inform that judge to the judge that it's a pending
I ain't see you
case.
call me back, bro. I ain't gonna lie.
That was never submitted
Real shit.
in any any emails or anything. And also,
I really ain't
the
even
charges
call
are
you.
filed to the criminal complaint
Phone in
section,
my pocket and shit.
which did not happen until today.
Breaking shit.
So if you look in the rule book that the head of DOJ posted, this is where I'm getting it from, and you could also see the link that's attached to it. So that is my motion.
I was notified.
He was notified during the bond hearing.
Hey, true. It wasn't.
No,
He
said
wasn't there.
during-
That's it. That's it.
During a bond hearing, but
I was
this happened.
notified, and I was notified. So.
Oh, you notified 2 days ago?
I was notified. So your motion is
Okay, got
is
you.
denied.
All right. So, for my opening statement, here we go. I'm here to explain why my client Dion and Trey Smith are not guilty for the charges filed from the state. One charge is a robbery charge. A robbery is something involving theft, and with that theft be on your person. In the criminal complaint and in MDW, the state has failed to show any indication that my client has any stolen property on him or that he's been in the building to even steal the allegedly 35 guns. Nowhere in the state present my clients doing anything wrong. The state will bring up evidence of the DNA, of them collecting DNA and going back to my client. The question I have for you is, if you were wearing your sister's clothes, would the DNA still be there on you? Would that go on you? If you were to test the seat, for DNA,
What? He gotta get his shit.
how many types of DNA is on that seat right there that you're sitting on? It could be Judge Blake DNA. It could be Judge Arnold DNA. Just because their DNA is there, that doesn't mean they're there. Now, yes, both my clients has been involved, has been in the PD station, been accused of different crimes before, and they got away with no charges filed against them. This is more like a retaliation on PD's part due to the fact that they couldn't hold them, and so now they want to pin any charges on them. There's no evidence proving that my clients were ever at the scene. The DNA that the PD collected, it could have been from a couple of months ago, 2 weeks ago. There's no evidence of any officer collecting DNA on that date. So, what I'm here to prove to you is that the state has failed to prove that my clients were even at the scene when this all went down. Any video, you did not see anybody's face. So how can you say somebody committed a crime when you don't have proper identification of the alleged suspect? There's no evidence of my client being taken to prison, jail, just like there's no evidence of the DNA being collected. So, with that being said, Judge, this case should be thrown out due to the fact the state cannot prove that my clients were at the location during the time of this incident. And they cannot prove that my clients were robbing PD with 35 guns and these 2 attempted murders on LEO.
All right. You may be seated. Will the prosecution approach the podium?
Yes, Your Honor. Prosecution would like to show the evidence. If you could go to the CC.
Yes.
We have footage of, we have photographs from inside and outside of our PD station. All of these photographs show 3 gentlemen masked coming inside and shooting at and pointing a FN-57 and AK-47 at our chief's head. These are the gentlemen who proceeded to shoot our chief and put this gentleman in this wheelchair. With that being stated, the prosecution would like to call Chief D Money to the stand. Chief, if you could we get our bailiff to bring the chief up? Officer Guilty, could you push Chief up there?
Jay, let me get the hell out of the way.
Okay.
You ready, Chief?
Oh, you ready?
Only thing I got for them 7 is
Yeah. All right. 1, 2,
3.
Oh, Lord.
I'm sorry, Chief. I got you. I'm sorry, Chief. I got you.
Lord.
There you go. Oh, sorry. Didn't mean to just throw you. Sorry, Chief.
Oh, my legs. Oh.
How are you doing on this lovely day, Chief? How are you feeling today?
I'm not all right.
I understand. Under the circumstances of the wheelchair and the things that this gentleman has put you through, Jumbo completely understands.
Hey, get old boy in here, man.
Did you hear Jumbo, sir?
Yes, I heard you.
So, do you recall the day?
Ain't no judge. It ain't no judge, big dog.
I think the judge having a mental issue.
All right.
Ready to start, Your Honor?
Go ahead, let's get this going. Go ahead.
They
Do you recall the day?
judges? Like, I've never in my life seen
What
no
was going on that day that you were injured, Chief D Money?
Yes, I was on duty about 4
Ooh,
or 5
yes,
hours.
food.
I'm just having a fresh hot coffee.
Get some food.
Set my coffee down.
Think about shot?
Well, really, yeah.
What do you think about shout for me, Chief?
Oh, I'm shouting now. You can't hear me now?
Just a little bit louder for the gentleman in the back, if you don't mind.
All right. Can you hear me now? Is that a little better for you?
It's wonderful, sir.
All right. So, I was making me some hot coffee. Had me some hot coffee. I went and sat it on the counter. Guy came with a gun to my head. Put a gun to my head. I hear guys coming in the side door. They say, don't move. Put your hands in the air. Get out on the ground, So I got down, I didn't move, I hear them talking, whatnot. They're breaking into the evidence, stealing things out. I do hear the door coming in and out. I hear them, running in and out. Lord knows what they got. They took off with a lot of evidence. So after that, shit, man. I was scared, man. I didn't know what, man. All I know, hold on. Before that, goddammit, I heard my officer came in, goddammit. She screamed, goddammit. I hear that scream, goddammit. I can remember it, goddammit. She said, ah! I just got shot, goddammit. Hit me in my back spleen, in my disc. Messed my right leg up. Hit me again in my left. Hit me in my left leg. Oh, I fell. Oh Lord have mercy.
Okay.
I dropped.
It's all right, Chief. It's all right, Chief.
It's all right, Chief.
And I take 2 more to the body, goddammit. And I'm appalled. I can't imagine this going on. And they say I had the possibility of not walking no motherfucking more, goddammit.
All right, Chief. It's all right.
Now, the people of the court, Judge, I ask you, would you want someone in your city who would attack the chief of police like this? Not just anyone in the city. They attack the chief of police.
Objection, Your Honor.
Now, Chief.
Objection. He never named anybody who did it, so I don't understand where's the DA going with this.
That's all right. I'll change the question. I'll change the question. I'm gonna object. I'll give you a chance.
Now, Chief,
Yes, sir.
you say that the ballistics collected on the scene. Do you all have a state-of-the-art ballistics? What's the process on that?
We have a state-of-the-art ballistics. We just got it in probably 2 years ago. It's been working fantastic. Has never failed the case. Best of the best.
Okay. That'll be all, Your Honor.
Oh, True, I got some questions, True.
If you'd like, go. What was that?
I got a lot of questions.
Let's give John a second here.
All right.
Until we'll move forward.
Everyone can hear me fine?
Yeah, I hear you.
All right, Chief. How's it going, Chief?
Everybody make sure you shout.
How's it going, Chief? How are you, Chief?
All right, let's proceed. Go ahead.
Chief, yes, yeah, you doing? You can't hear.
I'm all right. I ain't doing too well today, though, man.
All right, Chief. How often have you been into the treatment?
You say how often?
Yes.
Twice a day.
How's that going?
It's not going good, man. I'm worried about not walking, man. You know, they shot me, man. That's what I'm worried about, man.
Okay, have they performed any surgery on you?
Yes, I've had over 3 surgeries. One down my spleen, one down my left leg, and one down my right leg.
I'm sorry to hear that, Chief. Okay, so from that tragic incident that you had to experience, Chief, would you say, or is it fair to say that you have some form of PTSD from these events?
Oh man, it's horrible.
What are you talking about, kid? Gotta get on that 30-day shit.
Chief,
That's wild.
have you ever been robbed before?
You gotta do that 30-day shit, bro. You really gotta do that 30-day shit, bro.
Okay,
You see your shit going
what's your
down?
normal protocol when you are in that situation?
Give them everything.
See somebody go live, your shit go down, you gotta
follow orders. You know, your life's at stake.
Okay. Did you happen to have a chance to check the locker room inventory after this tragic event?
No, man, I was in the hospital suffering surgery.
Thank you, Chief. I have no more questions.
I want you for defense. You ever time me to cross examine? Go ahead.
Yes. Hey, Mr. D Money.
They read EMS. You have to go with, go through them and get that. That's the court order.
When did this injury happen to you?
I'm having tragic. It was about 2 days ago, a day ago, man. This happened.
So you're not sure what happened, right? You're not sure when it happened.
I'm still suffering through PTSD, man.
So the day that it happened, can you remember everything from that day?
You said, can I remember everything from that day?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Can you give me a little brief summary about your day?
Okay. So I was making some coffee. Okay.
Objection, Your Honor. Asked and answered. This is a question that has already been.
I'm painting a picture.
Overruled.
I'm painting a picture.
Your Honor, this question has already been answered. The witness has already stated about his
Let's
day.
see how this goes. I want to see where he's going with this. Go ahead, proceed.
All right now.
All right, proceed. You can answer the question.
Give me a little brief detail about today that happened.
Okay, so I was making me some coffee. I was about 4 or 5 hours in on duty. You know, give me some nice hot coffee. Went about had some coffee at the front desk. Right by the evidence. Guys ran up to me with guns, put it to my head. You know, told me don't move. You know, told me to surrender. So I got on my knees, man, put my hands up. You know, I heard several individuals running in the side door. You know, but they ran in the side door. You know, they was in and out, taking things in and out. And after that, one of my officers came in and spotted them. And you know, she screamed, and all I hear was, you know. And then then after that, you know, shots fired. I got shot 4 times. And you know, that was that, man. My officers got there, and then I got to the hospital, man. They got me to the hospital on time.
Can you identify anybody who was, you know, the guy that you said running in PD? Can you identify anybody in the courtroom that was there?
No, they had masks on.
Okay. So you cannot identify nobody, right?
That's enough.
Okay. My next question is, do you remember being in the interrogation room talking to Dion Smith along with You're Guilty?
You said what now?
Were you in the interrogation room talking to Dion Smith with your officer You're Guilty?
Yes, sir.
So that video, you was not displaying any discomfort or pain. I would like to subpoena your medical records to see if you are faking or if this is a real issue.
Okay.
Judge, would I be able to subpoena those?
That'd be for another day. That'd be for a completely different day. That would not be happening today.
I'm trying to question his credibility, and 2 things I pointed out, Mr. Money. You said that.
True, Mr. Lawyer. Mr. Lawyer.
Yeah.
Have a word. Man, he already said he don't recognize nobody. There's nothing else to talk to him about, bro.
What keeps going on here?
Yeah, that's it. I'm done. All questions.
Okay, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna get a 5-minute recess. You're gonna have a closing argument here, and then we're gonna go back and make it a deliberation.
Your Honor, the prosecution would like to bring forth one more witness. Officer, You're Guilty.
Another one, huh?
Yes, sir. Officer, You're Guilty.
All right, let's do this. Come on.
Hell nah, bro. This judge is funny as hell, bro.
What is it, disability hearing?
Oh, judge funny as. You talking about, yeah, another one. All the lawyers asked last step was Strawberry.
All right, I'm here.
All right, how's it going today, Officer Guilty?
It's going all right.
So, Officer Guilty, how long have you been on the force?
50 years.
And since you all have gathered this new evidence system and ballistics and DNA system, has it led you astray?
No. See, where I come from, wasn't no ballistic, no DNA, no none of that. We had to find the bad guys by knives and they got revolvers, all kind of other shit. You know what I mean? So the ballistic shit is nice. I love it. It worked excellent.
Has it failed you on any of your cases so far?
Never.
That's all, Your Honor.
Damn, Judge got a toaster.
Defense chance to cross-examine.
I got some questions, folks.
Go ahead.
2 questions? Damn.
Yes, sir. It's prosecuting team.
All right.
Early.
Mr. Dre, you hear me?
I hear you.
All right, I just got a couple questions for you, sir. So, did you happen to say that you know Mr. Dion Smith?
Oh, I know him.
Okay.
Objection. Objection. Leading.
I just asked.
A leading question.
We're not going to have that type of line of question. Let's keep the questioning concise, please.
All right, I'm just trying to build some foundation, Your Honor.
I don't see what you're building on with that one.
It was my first question, so I can't even lead in no direction with one question, Your Honor.
I don't see the relevance here, kid.
Can I continue my line of questioning?
You better make it quick. I'm getting impatient.
All right. Sir, would you consider that to be a personal relationship?
Personal relationship.
Objection. That's leading.
Hey, true, just chill. You can hang your turn.
All right, you don't got to answer that. Don't answer that. Okay. I agree with the defense here. It's a bit leading there. Come on, let's tighten up these questions and get to the point you're trying to get to with this line of questioning. Go ahead.
He did say he knows my sister very well. She make him bowl the cereal by 10 a.m. every morning. He be beating her ass, something like that.
Okay. Do you have Mr. Dion's phone number by any chance?
Hell yeah.
Do you contact him, or do you contact each other by any chance?
When I want him to turn himself in, or I want some burger shot, sometime.
Okay. But would you consider you guys' relationship to be what?
What do you mean?
I'm saying you guys speak, so what type of relationship do you guys have?
I don't know what type of ditty party you're on, but I like I said, I call it for burger shot. If you got one, I tell him to turn himself in.
Hey, get the fuck out of here, Dad.
So when you was in interrogation with Mr. Dion, could you run me through what's happening?
Officer too. He just did, bro. Bogus. What?
When you interrogated him?
What was happening in the interrogation room?
Yeah.
We asked him to tell us what he knew about the day, what he did throughout the day. He told me that he slapped my sister around for not making his cereal right. And he know my sister don't got hands and can't defend herself. And she makes TikToks using her feet to cook. And so she's got a bruise on her face. She can't make a TikTok. Then she can't make no money. Then she's got to come live with me. And she's not living with me again. She's got all them goddamn kids. And she don't got no arms. So she can't.
I have no further questions.
Wonderful defense. Your chance you crushed. If you choose.
Yeah, Your Honor. I don't have any the only question I have you're guilty is what's the process when collecting ballistics?
You pull out a flashlight. You look for them. If you find them, you can see if they're hot, cool, cold. Then you pick them up. You bag them. You take them to the ballistics room. And you run them. And then they give you a report, and it tells you who it belonged to.
Got you. So, were you one of the officers at the scene?
I got there late. I was outside when the shooting started. I ran inside. I seen the chief and a few other officers laid out on the floor, bleeding out, crying for help. After officers got picked up, I immediately started searching for ballistics.
Got you. So, can you identify anybody on that was on that scene that's not a PD officer in this courtroom today?
You said, can I identify anybody? Like I said, when I got there,
can you identify the shooter? You said they were shooting outside, right?
They were shooting inside. I was outside.
Okay, so you can't identify nobody. So you didn't see anybody.
All I did was get ballistics. Ballistics does not lie.
Got you. Your Honor, that's all my questions I have.
Well, hell no. Maybe shaded.
If you don't shut the fuck up.
Anyone else? You're all good. You're good.
Thank you, Your Honor, Majesty.
I'm hankering. I got a hankering for these closing arguments here.
You got a hernia. I had a hernia.
It's gonna be 30 seconds.
Your Honor, may I approach? with
Go
the
ahead.
DA?
Come
May I
on.
approach with the DA?
Let's go.
DA?
Come on.
Come on. Your Honor, I would like these witness testimonies to be thrown out of court for one reason, and the biggest reason. It was never sworn in, never hand on the Bible.
We'll get there. We're gonna get there.
They could have been lying on the stand.
Don't worry about it. I understand. They'll be taken into consideration during the deliberations. Okay. Noted.
Fuck rolled up.
That's completely noted. It wasn't presiding at the time, but it is what it is. Obviously, the judge is having some problems, so it'll get figured out. Don't worry. Let's proceed here with the closing statements. And then I can get your honor here. Of course, we're going to take a 5-minute recess so I can update, okay? 5 minutes, and these closing arguments will be 30 seconds each side. No waffling and yapping, okay? They get to the point and get to it quickly.
Finally, somebody on their ass, but
Jumbo, what you doing? You got clothing? You gonna take clothing?
I don't even know who doing their closing.
I got a fast car. You're a guilty ass be lying, boy. Hey, Jumbo.
Yes, sir.
Shit over with, boy.
You're over with, sir.
This shit over with, boy. You think you got a win off that? Man, fuck ballistics. I ain't got no guns registered to my name, nigga. Who wants some ballistics? Beat it. DNA, yeah, ballistics. No, Sirski. I got some DNA at your girl crib. I mean, you know what I'm saying?
you know what I'm
Yeah, I
saying? I mean,
Niggas finished, yo. You know I mean?
You so damn dumb. You think ballistics got to do with a gun, idiot? It's faker.
Bitch, shut up. You wasn't even there. Hoe ass.
you niggas fool.
Today, I swear to Jesus
You
Christ,
niggas
you
fool.
better-
Shut the
you
fuck
better
up
be
in
praying
this
for
You
bitch.
said you was scared to run in that bitch. Put your peoples in the wheelchair, nigga.
Balled under that do-rag. Fuck wrong.
What are you kids doing in here? Everybody calm down. I don't want to hear no outbursts or nothing.
Old enough to be your daddy.
Your officer.
Yep, contempt of court right there. Contempt of court on the office.
Ain't nobody scared this hoe.
Can you hear Jumbo, Your Honor?
I'm gonna put some donuts up there. Hold on.
All right, ladies and gentlemen of the court, prosecution would like to go ahead and just end this court with the statement of Mr. Dion Smith. He's a murderer. Not only is he a murderer, he's a thief, and he was caught red-handed. The ballistics
Objection.
in these cases do not lie. DNA does not lie. Those two things right there are the main things in this city that get people convicted, and it has not failed this system yet. Our ballistic system is state of the art. Nothing better. It's top of the line. And Mr. Dion's name was caught on that ballistic statement report with his DNA and his ballistics. That shows his location being at that station, at that position, at that time of the shooting, where our chief over there, Mr. D Money, was red-handedly shot cold-blooded. And they attempted to murder that chief and our officers from their evidence locker. Over 35 weapons. And maybe more. We still haven't finished counting.
All right.
We would just like to see that we get the death penalty for this gentleman. If you don't mind, Your Honor. That'll be all.
That's it.
May the defense approach the stand.
Yeah, Your Honor, this is going to be quick. The state didn't prove anything. The only thing they proved is that they're incompetent to collect proper evidence and to document the evidence where they collected it at. On the ballistic report, well, the testimonies by the two officers says that the shooting took place inside the PD office. The ballistic shows that these ballistics were collected on the street. Unless there's evidence, documented evidence of you're guilty collecting the ballistics to show where he collected the ballistics from, but there's none. So
What do
the
you mean?
state is not in a criminal complaint. So the state has failed to prove that my clients were even at the scene. If you look in the ballistics report, it says, it doesn't say PD station, it says the street. So how do we know if it's outside? You know, we don't know that. So again, I'd like you to consider that the state did not do the proper job of them, you know, putting my clients on the scene and arrest my case.
And no GSRski.
Nothing.
All right. So, based on the evidence that I'm seeing, I believe that your clients, the suspects, were at the scene of the crime. Ballistic reports has their names on it.
What body can't?
So there's nothing that
Body
you can
cam footage in the
convince
evidence.
me otherwise.
Body cam footage is in evidence.
What body cam? I want to know what body cam footage you're looking at.
It's in the MDW.
The evidence,
not-
that's not
there's no
submitted
body
to evidence for trial.
Are we looking at the MDW or the criminal complaint? Because I don't see anybody that can identify two clients there at the scene.
How the fuck she say she seen us? Like what?
In the
Shit, this bitch
ballistics-
tripping.
Ballistics.
She always tripping, bro. She
But you
always
gotta take a
tripping.
picture.
Fuck she got going.
You gotta have a
She always tripping, bro.
Tell it all.
Ballistics means
What?
Hey, True,
Wait, who?
Hey,
Who?
True, let me have a word. True, let me have a word.
What about the guns? They was never found with any
listen,
guns.
Just listen to me. Tell the judge this.
All right, so this is
The way
what it
ballistics
is.
works. The way ballistics works. Shoot the gun. You see what kind of print it make on the shell. Whatever kind of
I
print
ruled
that
in
makes
favor
on
of
the
the
shell means.
prosecution.
Oh my God.
I sentenced
Oh
Dion
my
Smith
God.
the death penalty.
Oh my God. Oh hell no. Hell no.
What?
The
Weird as hell. What the fuck?
Hell
no.
Hell no. Go let it go. Let it go.
As hell, this man.
He finna run.
Why you arresting?
Yeah, and they locking the door. What y'all forcing locking the door for? Y'all tripping.
Come back.
Why you cuffing me? Lock the door. Your ass tripping, Shorty.
My man just slipped that ball, nigga.
That's it. Don't.
Cuffs.
Get them fast, folks. Get them
They're
fast.
gonna carry him through the door. Don't lock it.
Bro, I need my appeal, gang.
They weird as hell for
I
that.
need an appeal. Hey,
He be
I
tripping.
need an appeal.
I ain't gonna lie, Judge wasn't even fucking dead.
She wasn't even there. How she gonna do that? That's weird as hell.
She wasn't even dead. How the fuck she been?
Y'all playing shit so weird. Weird ass PD.
Y'all better go get that fuck up before y'all get messed the fuck up. Get that fire. It's over there.
Carry these fives, folks.
Man, everybody get that fire, man.
Set this bitch up, folks.